pesto. Today on Cadillacs Kitchen. So I'm going to take this pesto and I'm going to make a beautiful angel hair pesto pasta with a nice grilled chicken breast on top. My favorite part, second to only eating it, plating it. All right, guys, my favorite part, the moment of truth. Wow. Color. I did not create this. This pesto isn't just for chicken. I put it on fish, I put it on beef, I put it on pork. Heck, I even scramble some in my eggs. You can try it on everything. So my wife and I had the opportunity while in Italy to visit a little town called Cinque Terre where pesto was first invented. So it's kind of special to us. So that's it, guys. Italian pesto on Cadillacs Kitchen. Until next time.